Think you've got your skincare routine down? You might be making small mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your skin. Let's fix them. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. Cleansing is important, but overdoing it strips your natural oils and causes irritation. Twice a day. That's enough. No matter the weather, sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV damage happens even on cloudy days. Hot showers feel great but damage your skin barrier. Always cleanse with lukewarm water instead. Apply your skincare from lightest to heaviest, or risk blocking absorption and wasting your products. Always check your labels. Some ingredients don't mix well, like vitamin C and retinol together. Results need consistency, not perfection. Stick with your routine daily to see real change. Your skin speaks. Listen. If it's red, irritated, or flaky, simplify your routine immediately. Skincare is a journey. And now, you're one step closer to mastering it. Follow, like, and subscribe to Glow Rituals for your guide to K-Beauty Glow.